Hi guys, it's Mark Wood. I'm the director and founder of Wire and Fusebox UK. We're based in York, we're electrical contractors and we work throughout Yorkshire. I've recently been doing some top tips, but I've changed it a little bit and I've asked my Facebook friends and groups to suggest any queries that they've got or questions they need answering. And the first one's coming this morning from Emma. So this is top tip number 5, and this question actually really resonates with me for 2 reasons really. One, that I've got 2 children myself and one on the way, and number 2, when I was little, my parents heard a bang in the living room and walked in and I had a screwdriver stuck in the socket. Like I say, it really resonates with me because it's a story that's lived with me all my life, and obviously it's very important as well when children's safety is involved. So yeah, so Emma's question was, are the plastic plug-in covers that go into sockets safe? Now this is an interesting question really, because I suppose there's 2 sides to it. If you buy a really good quality one and it doesn't break, because I think the issue is if it breaks and it leaves the earth pin in, which opens the flaps for the live terminals, then your live terminals are open. And yes, that potentially could happen. If you buy a good quality one, would that happen? Probably not. But to be fair, the sockets have sort of got the built-in shutters. So do you really need it? I think you know, it's personal preference really, but to be fair, the sockets nowadays are so good, the shutters work and they're quite reliable, so maybe not. But I don't think when electrical safety in children comes into play, I don't think that's the main issue really. From my point of view, and my advice would be, if you've got children in the house, you must have your electrical system checked by an electrician. You can get any local electrician to do it. It's not as expensive as you'd probably think it was. You must make sure, by the way, that the electrician is registered with a governing body, so they can certify the work properly. But yeah, that would be my advice. Yeah, there's an issue with the plug-in sockets, but the main thing is to get it checked and get a certificate, and any issues will be brought up and then they can be rectified. The main one, just quickly for me, is that I think my top tip number 1 talks about RCDs, and when children and safety and electrical come into play, then that is the main thing. You must have an RCD on your electrical system, because that is what turns it off quick enough before anyone gets injured. And like I say, particularly children messing around, that's what you need. You must have an RCD. So I hope that answers the question. If anyone else has got any questions for me, please feel free to friend me on Facebook, or you can find us on our website, which is www.yorkshire-electrician.com, or you can email me, which is mwood@yorkshire-electrician.com. Thanks guys.